Welcome back to Ammo Stock Picks, guys. I'm Matt, and tonight for you I have ticker symbol XERS. I got a few option plays for you I'm going to throw at you, and just a quick rundown of the ticker symbols I'm going to be watching for next week, or going into this week. Those of you watching football right now, who might catch me later watching this video, I hope your team wins. I'm rooting for everybody that's on my DraftKings account right now. So anyway, VLDR $20 call for 115. I'm going to throw that out there right now, and just to get right into it, I have a 12-24 call spread Tesla, spread idea 550 put, 500 put. I think that's about it on that. Yeah. All right. So ticker symbol XERS. On 12/11, Xeris Pharma shares rose 11% Friday after the company said the European Medicines Agency Committee for Medical Products for Humans had adopted positive opinion from Ogluo. Ogluo is the EU trade name for Xeris ready-to-use glucagon for injection. CHMP recommends Ogluo for the treatment of severe hypoglycemia in adults, adolescents, and children aged 2 and older with diabetes mellitus. The Euro Commission will review the CHMP recommendation, and a final decision on the marketing authorization application for Ogluo and the EU is expected Q1 2021. That's first quarter 2021. If Ogluo is approved, the company could launch Ogluo in Central European countries in the second half of 2021. Gvoke, PFS, and Gvoke hypopen glucagon injection were approved in the United States in 2019 for the treatment of pediatric and adult patients with diabetes over 2 years of age. The study found that the two were comparable. No safety or tolerability concerns were noted. Now that article was from Friday, very early in the morning. This is a very similar article, it's just the full version. That was a pretty basic, simplified summary of this whole article. I'll post both of these articles for you in the description. I'm going to start keeping these videos a little bit shorter. I made the past two a little too long, I think. The positive opinion received, this is yesterday, Friday, based on the results from a phase 3 multi-center randomized controlled non-inferiority study. The study was concluded among 132 adults with type 1 diabetes in Europe and North America to evaluate the liquid stable glucagon autoinjector as a treatment for severe hypoglycemic events compared with Novo Nordisk's glucagon hypokit. The results demonstrated comparable efficacy between the two groups in achieving a plasma glucose of over 70 milligrams per DL or over or equal to 20 milligrams per DL. Increased plasma glucose concentration within 30 minutes of administration. The study also found that time to resolution of hypoglycemia symptoms as well as time to resolution of the overall feeling of hypoglycemia were comparable. No safety or tolerability concerns were noted. In this study, the most common adverse reactions were nausea and vomiting. So, that's, like I said, I'll post this article in the description for you, but I kind of hit the summary for you right off the bat. What I have at 4 p.m., this is 4:57 it says. I should have gotten you the after hours closing price, but we can all just look that up. On December 7th, 2020, the closing price was 416 with a volume of 1.2 mil. Split adjustment factor, overall price 422. Day high 434, day low 406. On December 8th, closing price was 410, 1.775 mil. Open price 417, day high 424, day low 397. On December 9th, 2020, closing price of 403 at 1.2 million volume. Opening price 412, day high 415, day low 398. Now, I already posted all of my price targets on Discord. So if you want to know what those are, I will post them in the description as well. However, I think everyone should just go join Matador Trading, and that's where you'll be seeing more updates than you'll be seeing me on YouTube, just because I've got a family and I'm pretty busy. I'm trying to do a lot of stuff at once, but one day at a time. So little by little, everything's gonna get there, one day at a time. Snap $50 calls for 115.21 at 5:45. I entered one of those. Apple, $110 calls, 115.21 at 14.70. I think that's about it for you guys. We covered EV-Box in the last video, and let me pull up one more thing for us. Well, it's never one more thing, it's always a few. The Activision $85 calls for 12.18. I'm up 47% on those already. The AT&T, T-Mobile $32 calls were nice. Dropbox calls. I really like Dropbox. Another one, actually, John Paul Investing mentioned in one of his videos, or a few of his videos by now, I think. I haven't been keeping up too much. CGIX, TUSK, UTSI, POWW, ammo. POWW is ammo. So, I have a few shares at 334 right now. And I'm just a small size, but I want to see where it goes. It was just for the LOLs, because why not? Dash 175, down $5 on Dash a share. Wow, Discord's popping today. All right, EOSE. I'm sorry if you took that play. I called that one out a little too early. I know a few people got into that one with me before. It's kind of really hasn't done much, but I'm really confident EOSC's got something going on. Keep that one on your radar, guys. I've got Momo scanners, and I have a pre-market gap list scanner that I use that helps me a lot. Pre-market to figure out where the best place for me to put my attention on in the morning before the 7 a.m. bell that hits at TOS, so that I can start trading. I believe that gap scanner that I've got works pretty well in identifying the tickers that will run. I adjusted it from a few things I found, I think, on forum.com. I played with the scan criteria and the queries in there to customize it to my liking. You can customize it to your liking. I believe it's a little shrunk down when you pull it up on screen, so you're going to have to individually scroll through each one to adjust the things that you like. However, other than that, I do have one more thing I was going to share with you guys. It is my list of tickers that I will be watching over the next few weeks into next year, up to Inauguration Day, most likely. If I can pull it up here for you, it is the electric vehicles that I'm watching right now are Tesla, FSR, Ride, Hyliion, Workhorse, Solo, FUV, AYRO, and GP. I'm not really in Nikola anymore. I'm not really in Solo, to be honest. Neo, XPEV, Lee, and Candy. Those are two, or a few China tickers as well. LiDAR, Luminar, LAZR, VLDR, y'all know already. Segro and IPV are SPAC pre-merger LiDARs. We have CIIC, NGA, PIC, HCAC, GIK, FIII, and QCELL. These are all electric vehicle SPACs pre-merger. I'll say that one more time. It is Arrival, CIIC. We have NGA, XL Fleet, PIC, we have HCAC, we have GIK, we have FIII, we have Protera, QELL, sorry about that. Also on my list are battery companies, QuantumScape QS, CBAT, that's another one, CBAT. I banked on CBAT very early. I haven't played it since, but I've been watching it. I scalped it a few more times, but not for crazy money, just to keep my skills honed for scalp trades. For when I do decide to really size in for one of these tickers, come closer to election, when I know one of these tickers is going to hit, I think, pretty hard. So eventually I'm going to post a video for you. I've been working on something I'm eyeing for a little while, but I'll post it soon for you. I'm not 100%. That's why I'm not ready and willing to put it out there for you guys, because I don't want to put you guys in a losing trade. Right now I have charging BLNK, charging SPACs pre-merger SBE, TBGY, and MBAC, battery SPACs pre-merger RMG and THCB, EV Resource IDEX MP, EV Resources SPACs pre-merger STPK, Fuel Cell FCEL, PLUG, Bloom Energy BE, Ballard BLDP, Fusion HTOO, and Fuel Cell SPACs pre-merger AMCI. And with that, guys, I'll leave you for tonight, and I will see you pre-market tomorrow morning. Catch you guys later, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend. I hope you had a good weekend, and if you're watching the NFL games tonight, I hope your team wins. Take care and have a good night. Later.